Mabuhay! Welcome to my hometown, Lingayen, the municipality with rich history, culture, tradition, and tourist destination. Come with me as we explore Lingayen. Galila!
Situated at the heart of Pangasinan, Lingayen is known for its exquisite beach that attracts tourists, especially during summer. As the capital town of the province, Lingayen is one of the busiest municipalities of Pangasinan. Lingayen is undeniably rich in history. As a matter of fact, there are relics during the American and Japanese occupations. These are now being preserved for the next generation's benefit. Capitol Building, built in 1917, was declared as one of the 8 architectural treasures of the Philippines by the National Commissions for Culture and Arts. The Capitol compound, where we can find Malong and other 8 buildings, are used by the government employees of the province as their offices. Noticeably, the parks inside the compound provides a total relaxation for the people. Indeed, it was designed to furnish recreational facilities. Recently, Lingayen Town Plaza was reconstructed for the welfare of Lingayenenses. Even before the Spanish regime, Lingayen Gulf is known as one of the ports used by the Chinese to bring in trade. Limahong made an important role in negotiating with the early Chinese traders. Today, we still practice trades in our daily lives. Lingayenenses are hard-working people. Evidently, you can see fishermen sailing in the shore very early in the morning. The Spaniards left a great impact to people of Lingayen when it comes to religion. Annually, residents of our town celebrate the town fiesta. Over the years, the local government is doing its best to make the town better. Lingayen is continuously renovating and building new infrastructures to attract more investors.
There are more to discover. See it for yourself. Be enchanted. Galila!
Lingayen, the face, the heart, the soul of Pangasinan.